Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online class. Listen, children, we will start the second chapter. Already you have to finish the exercise 2.1. Now you are going to the exercise 2.2. This exercise 2.2 have a word problem. What problem? Solve these word sum. Solve these word sum. In third standard you have to already study the number story sum. The same here. Look at the sum. First I read. You follow to me read. Rohit had a collection of 2346 stamps. What is this? Rohit had a collection of 2346 stamps. His brother gave him 1999 more stamps. 1999 more stamps. Who given here? His Rohit brother. His brother means Rohit brother gave him the 1999 more stamps. How many stamps does Rohit have now? Now how many stamps Rohit have? This is you want to find out this sum. Okay children, I give one example. You have here 4 chocolates with you. Your sister also gave to you 2 chocolates. Now how many chocolates with you? 6 chocolates. Okay, very good. The same you have to apply here. Listen, number of stamps Rohit had. How many stamps Rohit had? 2346. 2346. And the number of stamps given by his brother. Who's given the another more stamps? His brother. His brother means Rohit brother. How many stamps? 1999. So, you want to find out the total number of stamps. Total number of stamps. You want to find out means what do you do here? Add. You want to add. Total number of means you have to add now. Now listen. 9 plus 6 what? You count and count to tell the answer. 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 9, what do you get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much you want to? 9 plus 6 what? 15. 9 plus 6, 15. So how do you write here 15? Now you have to 5 only you have to write here. Now carry to 1 here. Okay. Then 9 plus 4 what? 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus this carry over you have to add. 13 plus 1 14. So you have to write 4 only here. So you want to carry 1. So 9 plus 3 what? 12. 12 plus this 1 you added the both. What do you get? 12 plus 1 13. So 13 means you have to write 3 only here. Then carry to the next. So 1 plus 2 what? 3. 3 plus this 1 you counted. You get 4. Okay children. So total number of stamps. How many stamps? 4345. Total number of stamps. How much is that? 4348. You have the total number of stamps here. total number of stamps. How many stamps you want to hear? Rohit has how many stamps? 4,340 4,345 stamps. Are you okay, children? Rohit has 4,345 stamps. So totally Rohit has how many stamps? 4,345. Now you got to copy this sums, children. Now you finished up. Move on to the second sum. Read the second sum question. A factory manufactured 75,850 cars. What manufactured a factory? Car. How many cars manufactured? 75,850 cars. In which year? 2018. In 2018 year, a factory manufacturing a car. How many number of cars are manufactured? 75,850. Okay. In 2019, how many cars are manufactured? 38,000. 38,000. 38,000 more cars. In manufactured 38,000 more cars in manufactured in the year what? Which year? 2019. In 2019. So how many cars did the factory manufacture in the 2 years? In 2 years, total number of cars manufactured, how many you want to count it? How many you want to asking mean you have to add the numbers. Okay. So listen here. Number of cars manufactured in 2018. Number of cars manufactured in 2018. How many cars? 75,850. Okay. Number of cars manufactured in 2019. How many cars in 2019? 38,000. Now total number of cars. Now total number of cars mean you have to add the numbers. Okay. Here listen. 0 plus 0 what? You got to 0. You add that 0 plus 0. You get 0. Okay. Then 0 plus this 5. 5. Any number you add with 0. You get the same number. So 0 plus 5. 5. Then 8 plus 0. The same. 0 add anything the number. You get the same number. So 0 plus 8. You get 8. Then 8 plus 5 what? You add 8 plus 5. 13. 13 means you have to write 3 only. You have to write here. Then you carry over 1. Then 3 plus 7 what? 10. 3 plus 7, 10. The carry over 1 is included. 10 plus 1, 11. So you have to write 11. There is no column another one. So you have to write the 11. You have to write here. So total number of cars what? 1,13,850. What is that? One the factory manufactured How many number of cars total the factory manufacture? 1,13,850 cars. 1,13,850 cars is totally in 2 years the factory manufacture. Are you okay, children? Now move on to the third sum. Listen, during a census, you have to hear in an election, whatever is there, some people came to your home asking how many members in your house, how many men, how many women, how many children. These are all you taking in the list. That is called a census. You have to collect the populations, mean that is called a census. It was observed that a city, you take it in only one city only you have to observe. How many? 1,34,759 men in one city. 1,34,759 men in the city. Then 1,29,175 women in the city and 2,14,107 children in that city. So what you ask, what was the population of a city? For example, in your home there is 2 men, 2 women, okay, 2 men, 2 women, 2 children. What is your total number of population in your home? 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4, 6 members in your home. So same as 2 you want to do here. Number of men and number of women and number of children. You want to add these 3 means you get a population of the city. You get population of that city. Okay, listen children. Number of men in a city. Number of men in a city 1,34,759. Number of women in a city 1,29,175. Number of children in a city 2,14,107. So now you want to find out total number of population in a city. So you want to add up these numbers. Okay, children. Now listen, 7 plus 5 what? Tell me what is the answer. 7 plus 5? 12. 12 plus this 9? 12 plus 9? 21. What is that? 21. So you have to write 1 here. So you carry 2 to the next column. Carry 2 in the next column. So 0 plus 7 you get 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus this 2 14. 14 means you have to write 4 only here. So you get carry 2 here. Okay. 1 plus 1 was 2. 2 plus this 7 9. 9 plus this 1 10. 10 means you get write 0 only here. Zero. So 1 is carried to the next column. Now 4 plus 9, 13. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus this 4, 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So you have to 8 only right here. So you have to carry 1 again. to the next column. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So you have to write 7. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. You have to write 4. You have to write 4. Are you okay, children? So total number of the population in a city 4,78,041. 4,78,041. That is the population of the city. Total population of the city was 4,78,041. 4,78,041. This is the population of the city. Then move on to the next. A museum. You have anybody who have to say this museum? Are you visited any museum? In Chennai there is a museum, is there? Are you able to? Are you went to visit that museum? In some schools have picnic. You have to go for that museum. So same like that. You have to museum. The number of children visited the museum 47,985 children visited a museum. Okay, 16,485 men are visited the museum. Then 12,025 women are visited in a museum. So how many people visited a museum in all? Total number of people, how many people you have to visited the museum? That's you want to find out. Listen, number of children visited in a museum 47,985. Number of men visited a museum 16,485. Number of women visited a museum 12,025. Total number of people visited a museum you want to add now. Listen, this 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 means you have to write 5 only, you have to write here. So you want to carry to the next one here. Then 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 means you have to write 9 here. So you have to carry to 1. So 4 plus 9 what? 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So you have to write 14. 14 you have to write 4. You have to carry 1 here. Then 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus this 7, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 means you have to write 6 here. Then you have to carry 1 in the next column. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Are you okay, children? So number of people visited a museum 76,495. 76,495. The total number of people visited in the museum. Are you okay, children? Now 76,495. 76,495 people visited the museum. Are you okay, children? This is the word sum. Word sum. You have to write the neatly. You have write the digits should be right in the column wise. Write the straight manner. You have to write. That only you have get the correct answer. Otherwise, you have write in the zigzag manner means you get wrong answer. Are you okay, children? Thank you. See you tomorrow.